Hello everyone, I hope all of you are well. In this video, we're going to learn about living things. So, what are living things? Living things are things that can grow, move, breathe, and reproduce. Living things can grow, for example, from a small seed, it can grow into a big tree. Living things can move because they have feet. Living things can breathe air in and out. Living things can reproduce. For example, a mommy and a daddy deer can have a baby deer. There are many kinds of living things. What do you think are the examples of living things? What are these? These are plants. Plants can grow from a small seed into a big tree. Plants need water, food, and air to grow and live. Plants will get water through the roots. Plants need sunlight and air, specifically carbon dioxide, to make their food. Plants can make another plants. For example, after eating a fruit, you plant the seed into the soil and it can grow again into a tree. Animals. Animals are living things. Animals can grow. For example, a baby elephant can grow bigger and taller. Animals need water, food, and air. If the animals are hungry, they need to eat food. When they are thirsty, they need to drink water. They also need air to breathe. Animals can make another animals. For example, a mommy and a daddy monkey can have a baby monkey. Animals can move on their own. Because they have legs, they can walk and run to find their food. Humans. Humans can grow. From a baby, it can grow bigger and taller to become an adult. Humans need water, food, and air. Humans need to drink water if they are thirsty. They need to eat food if they are hungry. And they need air to breathe. Humans can make another human. For example, just like mommy and daddy, they will have their babies. Humans can move on their own. Because they have legs, they can walk and run. They can go wherever they want. A little review about living things. Living things are things that can grow, move, breathe, and reproduce. We have learned about living things, and next we are going to learn about what are non-living things. Non-living things are things that cannot grow, cannot move, cannot breathe, and cannot reproduce. A table is a non-living thing because it doesn't grow to become a bigger table. It doesn't move unless people will try to move it. It can't breathe because it doesn't have nose. It doesn't make another table like its own. A house is a non-living thing. It doesn't grow unless people will build it to make it bigger and taller. It doesn't move and breathe. It doesn't make another house like its own. A car is a non-living thing. Yes, it moves, but It doesn't move on its own without people driving it. It doesn't grow. It doesn't breathe, and it doesn't make another car like its own. A book is an example of a non-living thing. It doesn't move on its own without people carrying it. It doesn't grow. It doesn't breathe, and it doesn't make another book like its own. A bag cannot also move on its own without people carrying it. It doesn't grow. It doesn't breathe, and it doesn't make another bag like its own. Let us summarize the lesson that we have learned. Plants are living things. Animals are living things. Humans are living things. Living things can grow, move, breathe, and reproduce. Non-living things cannot grow, move, breathe, and reproduce. Plants cannot go around like animals because they don't have legs. I hope you have learned something about living things and non-living things. Until next time, bye!